Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 50 says, the concern of a marketing manager whose company has adopted the marketing concept is that is, marketing manager, the person in charge of marketing department in a company. It could be bank, it could be office. Then what is the concept called marketing concept? That is how to make sale. What concept? Option A, recruit more salesmen. B, make maximum profits. C, identify and satisfy customers' need. D, maintain the company's share of the market. The correct answer here is option C, which is identify and satisfy customer needs. That is the concept of every marketing manager, that every marketing manager will adopt in order to maximize profit or gain for the company. When we talk of concept, say the interest of marketing manager is to identify and satisfy the needs of customers. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.